Heat wok to medium heat and add oil. Add in eggs, stir until medium soft. Add in 2-day-old jasmine rice or any kind of rice that's been cooked. Preferably, it has to be a day or two old. And yeah, just stomp it down until it's all in there. Get it going. And then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Get it in there, get that little sizzle going. And add some more oil to create, well, to help from the pan to not stick. Or, yeah. Then add in your veggies. I chose asparagus, but you can choose anything that you'd like. And just stir it in. Add your protein. I chose pork belly because I had some extra pork belly and I figured why not. But you can add chicken, you can add pork, you can add anything that you like. You can do tofu. And then I add a little bit of sambal oelek, and if you don't know what it is, you should, because it's delicious and it helps with fried rice. And then I usually just plate it up with some sriracha, cilantro, and sesame seeds, and that's basically about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and heart and just show some love. Thanks, and I hope you have a good day.